Hey everyone, we're thrilled to announce the relaunch of our in-app survey product, which is now more powerful than ever. In this video, we're going to walk you through all the new features that we added that's going to help you in collecting actionable in-app feedback from your end users. To start using our survey product, all you have to do is click on the side nav bar and pick in-app surveys. From this page, you will be able to quickly create an NPS survey, an app rating survey, or create a survey customized for your needs. Let's take a look at how it works. For NPS survey, you'll find a pre-filled template that you can edit to your needs. For example, you can choose to skip the second question or add it, and then you can customize the message and the question sent to your customers. So here you can customize the message we send to the detractors or the passives or the promoters. You can choose the survey type to be dismissible or non-dismissible. For the app rating survey, you're going to have two options to ask your users to rate your app. You can either redirect the user to the App Store, and here you will be able to customize the message as you see fit, or just simply use Apple's native in-app rating prompt, which is supported on Android as well. Finally, for the custom survey, you'll be able to customize the survey for your needs. You can add as many questions as you want, and for each question, you will be able to add the title and choose a type for it. We currently support text field, single select, and star rating. And also you will be able to customize the thank you message that appears to the user, and all the changes will be reflected here. You can also choose the survey type, which is dismissible or non-dismissible. After you've created your survey, you'll be able to target this survey to a specific audience. You can use auto-targeting, email targeting, or manual targeting. Let's see how each one works. For the auto-targeting, you'll be able to target this survey to a specific user segment based on some conditions. For example, app version, session count, country, or if you have some user attributes defined in your code. For example, if the user is a VIP user, a premium user, or if the user is logged in. Also, you can target it based on a certain user event defined in your code. For example, viewed checkout, you can show the survey based on a certain event taken by the user. You can also choose when your user should see the survey. By default, it's after 10 seconds, but you can also show the survey based on a user event, for example, viewed checkout. Also, you can pick the frequency for how often your user should see the survey. For the email targeting, you'll be able to upload a CSV file for all the emails that you want to target, and you will also be able to choose when and the frequency of the user seeing this survey. Finally, for the manual targeting, you will be able to use this token to call the survey whenever you would want in your app. Finally, after you're all set, you can just click on Next, review all the details, and just publish the survey. From this page, you'll be able to see the performance of each survey created. So here you can see a summary of how many users opened the app and how many actually responded to the survey. You will find some analytics per question and the targeting that you added to your survey. In this section below, you will find all the responses submitted by your users, along with all the actions needed to act on this feedback. You can either reply to the user, you can close the issue or reopen it, and for our most exciting feature, you can actually use Instabug session replay to replay this session to understand what happened during the session that led to this feedback. And here you have two options. You can either see the exact session where the user submitted the response, or just filter by this user email and see all the user sessions. Let's take a look at this example here. Here, the user is complaining about not being able to log into the app for days and how incredibly frustrating it is. Once you click on View Response Session, you will be redirected to the exact user session where the user submitted this response. Here, you will see all the session details needed, for example, app version, device, and OS. And down here, you will have a timeline where you can replay this user session to understand the exact user journey that happened that led to this negative feedback. On the timeline, we highlight the major issues faced by the user, for example, app hangs or crashes. And here, down here, you see all the user steps and the logs needed to debug this issue and finally reply back to the user.